Hi guys, welcome back to ASP.NET MVC tutorial. I'm Ashish. So this is part 33 of this video series. Before proceeding, please watch part 32 in order to know about how can you display your image before uploading it. Okay, so now in this tutorial I'm gonna discuss about how can you upload and display your image using Jquery in ASP.NET MVC. So basically I'm gonna upload my file to the file server and retrieve it back from the same. Okay, so let's get started. So here in the previous tutorial I have created this example to display my image before uploading it. Okay, so for that I have taken an input of type file and I have given an ID that is image browse. Okay, and after selecting that file I'm just displaying inside this div. Okay, so here I have taken an image without any source attribute. Okay, so here if you see I have given the target image as an ID. Okay, so when I select any image, then this change function get triggers, and inside that I'm calling this read image, which is going to add an attribute, that is source attribute. It's going to add to my target image so that I could be able to see my image. Okay, so let's have the view of it. So when I select my image, so let's select it, so I can have the display of it. Okay, if I don't want, then delete it and again choose another one. Okay, so now my task is to upload this image to the file server. Okay, so when I click on this upload button, so this file should be uploaded to the file server. Okay, so let's write the code for it. So first of all, just copy the ID of this input file, and here I can get the file into a variable, that is where file equal to dollar hash. Okay, so while choosing a file you can choose the multiple file also. Okay, so for that I'm using this get function. It requires the index. Okay, so I'm using the 0th index because there could be a multiple file. So right now I have chosen the only one file. So for one file, for selecting one file, you can use this. So use the 0th index files. Okay, now you are having your file this. Okay, and now pass this, use the where data equal to new form data. Okay, so I will just send my image file through form data. So data dot append. Okay, and this append method, you can see it requires the index. So it requires the name of object, that is let's say image file, comma, so it requires the object name and object value. Okay, so I will just pass the file 0th index. Okay, so this file contains the actual file at 0th position. Okay, and now data dot append, let's pass another attribute, that is let's say product name, comma, let's pass static value, that is Samsung, let's say 8. Okay, and this file should be sent to server through ajax call. So ajax, just pass into the array and use type. The first parameter is type, equal to post. Second is URL. URL should be test controller name slash. I will create this method, that is image upload. Okay, and the third parameter is data, so I will just pass this data as data. Okay, and you are sending this file to server, so that's why two parameter is necessary, that is contentType. Content type should be false, and another one is the process data should be false. So these two attribute is required while sending a file to the server using this ajax. Okay, so success, in the success you can write a function. Okay, and here you can retrieve your data response. Okay, so this file should be carried through a model. So I have created a product view model. Inside that I have taken the attribute like product name, title, description, price, image ID. Okay, so let's copy that, and for the image file you just need to use HttpPostedFileWrapper. Okay, so use image img file. Okay, so just copy this and paste it here, so that name should be same, and here is your product name. Okay, so right now I don't require this product name because I'm not gonna use it. Okay, so I am just sending this image file to the server, and here I just need to create this method, that is image upload. So I will go to the controller and use public. Okay, so I will just return this JSON result, method name, and inside that it requires the parameter that is product view model. So model, and here I will get the where file. I just need to get the file name, so file equal to model dot image file. Here you can see. Okay, and now put the condition if file is not equal to null, then I can upload it. Okay, so you can get the file name like this, file dot file name. Okay, or you can use like use the path file, let's say file name equal to. So here you can use the path. Okay, so path dot, so just right click on this and resolve it, system.io. Okay, so this path method is going to return, will give you the file name here, file name without extension, get the full path, and you can get the directory name. So all the information or whichever is required, you can get it here. So get the file name, and it's just require the path, so string path, so file name. Okay, so this could be helpful for the further processing, like if you get the extension show with this path dot, you can get the extension and you just need to pass the file name. Okay, so you can get the extension, you can get the file name without extension. Okay, so with this path you can get the file without extension. You just need to pass the file name. Okay, so actually this thing, if you have your extension, you can just rename this file. Okay, and you can save that image to the uploaded image folder. Okay, so that you can use further. Okay, so right now I am not using any of thing. My target is to save that file. Okay, so just use file.Save as, and it requires the it requires the string file name. So first of all, you just need to have physical path of this folder. Okay, so you just need to map the server.mappath. So it requires the file name. So what it's going to return, so when overridden in a derived class, return the physical file path that correspond to the specified virtual path. Okay, so you just need to use this. This is gonna map this uploaded image. So use uploaded image slash plus, and you can pass the file name. Okay, so that's enough to save your file to the server. So right now I don't have anything into this folder. Just right click on it, so nothing. Okay, now finally you can return the JSON, and inside this JSON you can return the file name. Okay, JSON request behavior allow get. Okay, so I don't need, because I'm not gonna rename my image. Okay, now go to index, and here I will just get the file name, selected file name. Okay, so I just need to create a div so that I can append that. So I have just created this call md2 thumbnail, and I'm just going to copy this uploaded image, and here I will append it. Okay, so dollar hash, and paste it here, and append. So I will just append a new img. Okay, and src would be equal to plus response. Okay, and before that you can give the exact path, that is uploaded image. Okay, and put a slash, and also you can give a class equal to img responsive plus thumbnail. Okay, Now you can run it. So this is my image file. So is that okay? I'm using it here and at the controller. Okay, now run this project and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so here you go, and now I'm going to select image. So this image gets selected. So first of all, I just need to put a breakpoint here. So I have just put breakpoint. Okay, so now click on upload button. So here you can retrieve your data. So in image file you can see HttpPostedFileWrapper. Here you can see your image file. Okay, now function F10. So your file is not null. You can get the file name. Here the file name is corporate website.jpg, extension is .jpg, and name is corporate website. Okay, so you can rename your file according to your requirement. Okay, now it's time to save. So function F10. So the file is being successfully saved, and now I'm returning that file, and here you can see the uploaded file is being appended. Now just go to your folder and you can see one file is uploaded. Okay, and now I'm just gonna upload another file. Let's say this, and upload it. Okay, and now choose another one and upload it. Okay, and now use training. Okay, so in this way you can upload your image file to the server, and you can also retrieve your file. Okay, so I'm done here, and also if you want to clear your preview, so you can call this function here, clear preview. So this will just clear your preview when the file is being uploaded. Okay, so let's reload this. And now choose your file, corporate website, and upload it. Okay, so this gonna be uploaded. Social. Okay, so in this way you can upload your file to the server, and here you can see your file. So renaming the file would be the great option, because if you notice that I have just uploaded this corporate website. Okay, and if I don't rename it, and then it will replace that image with the same name. It can replace that original image. Okay, so if you don't want to replace the previous image, then you just need to rename that, and you can give each image as unique name. Okay, so that's why you can use this path method. You can get the file name and its extension, and you can create a unique image name so that all the image will be preserved. Okay, so let's rock and upload it. Okay, so I'm done here. So in this way you can upload your file to the file server and retrieve it back. Okay, so in the next tutorial we will be uploading file to the SQL server, and also going to retrieve that. Okay, so thanks for watching my tutorial. If you like it, then give us a thumbs up. If you have any problem, then do comment. And thank you very much. Have a great day.